I'm sure we all saw the Ulta video where that one girl goes in with $100, $200, $300 worth of stuff and ends up going to $2 and some change. Yeah, that's crazy. It's also called extreme couponing, something I already do at CVS and Walgreens, and I challenge myself to do it at Ulta this year. So I'm going to not only show you guys some stuff that I've gotten, but how I got them, how to use coupons, cashback, points, and free gifts to maximize what you're getting. Basically, be that girl on a budget. And that's what we do here. Now for my first order, my total paid out of pocket was $65. However, it was $150 worth of materials and product, and I got 260 points back. I think it was actually 300, but basically I got about $15 worth of points back, which means I paid $40 for $150 worth of stuff. But that's not all. I actually used my Capital One card, and right now my credit card has a 6% back at the Ulta website, so I just went in store and picked it up after I put the order online. Gonna get that 6% back, and of course I still get everything else I got. But let me show you what I got. Ulta Beauty was doing a gift where if you spend $20 on their products, then you get a little baggie of goodies. So I got $20 worth of stuff. This was $11. It is their, you can't even see it because of the glare. It is the Juice Infused Lip Oil in Peach. And then I got one of their bouncy eyeshadows. Now, I actually broke this earlier. I didn't break it actually. It went to the lid here. You can kind of see. The product just stuck to it and I popped it back down. I've never used these before, but the fact that it did that really threw me off. And even though it's pretty and smooth and glittery, $9 for this, probably not gonna buy another one. Now, because I got that, I got this gift, and in this gift, there was a mini version of this. I already gave it to my little sister. I didn't know that there was a mini version, or I would have gotten a different shade, but there was a mini version. There is a maximum lengthening Ulta mascara that is full size, 2 quads, not in colors that I would really use, but they're cute. Probably gonna give to someone as a gift. And then they also came with a little brush. It came with a beauty blender. It's pink. They don't look like a pink girl. I don't know why I would ever get it. Tinted eye primer. A poreless face primer. And one of their mini glosses. And this is in shade No Clue. Velvet Mauve, I think. Anyway, I end up taking a lot of these minis when I travel anyway, and this bag, really nice quality. They did also have a pink one, so I think there's a few differences between them, but I chose yellow because, like I said, I'm not a pink girl. You see, they were having a 3 times points back for a bunch of their special brands. I don't remember what the reason was. If I can find a screenshot, then I'll show you. But not only were they 3 times points back, but a lot of the individual products in there were 5 times back for their Member Love series. So I went and got the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. My shade is a natural medium, and basically this was $44. They had a gift with this where if you buy this for $44 for $2 more, so $46 total, you can get their custom kit. This fits in here, I swear. And of course, I would get back 7 times points on the entire thing because 5 plus 3, right? 5 plus 8. 8 times points. Sorry, my brain. Now, in the kit comes a small version of Your Skin But Better setting spray and a small version of their Superhero mascara. Again, like a lot of this stuff I don't really use. I tend to save for gifts, and I also use when I travel. But, you know, It's Cosmetics, not terrible. I like some of their other mascaras. I'm not mad at that. And of course, I did also buy another product. It is the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. I know this is like very controversial, but I had to get it. I'm late to the trend, but it was one of their items. So I needed a little bit more and I got it. Now my total ended up being $88. Sorry, my total ended up being $78. But they had a coupon for $15 off of $75, brought me down to like $68 and some change. Basically, that is everything I got for $68. But that's not all. I have a box. This deal, you want to stick around for. Now, they were doing for Black History Month 10 times points for a singular day, which let me just say, For the queens with melanin skin creating these products, they need a lot more. I was really irritated by this. But for one day, and only one day, they were doing 10 times points on Black-owned beauty. But it was also a National Lash Day. And if you spent $65, you got one gift. If you spent $85, you got another gift. And they weren't separate orders. So if you spent $85, you got both gifts. So, yep, I spent about $85. And I made sure that I did it all on Black Beauty. And I got 10 times points back. So, I ended up getting about a little under 1,000 points back. Which, if you guys don't know, is like 20 bucks. And I got some really nice things. So, let's look at them. Now, before we go over the gifts, because all free, let's go over the actual products I got. Now, I have been into sugaring for a while now. I am a thick and hairy woman. I apologize, but like, I had to get this. It's by Sugar Dough, and it's their head to toe sugaring kit, and the medium and hard are both in here. And I know a lot of people say just make your own sugar, but like, I'm supporting. And I've heard of this company, but I've never like been able to sit down and really research them. And this was the best way for me to be like, hey, that's gonna be me. Now these jars are, I think they're glass, but they are extremely gorgeous. And you get 2 of them. They are 2 different types, but they're so pretty. I cannot wait to rip out all of my hair follicles. But it also comes with a kit. There are some tools and instructions, so I think it comes with some wax strips, some of the spatulas, and like stuff to clean up afterwards. I cannot wait till I do this. Hopefully I don't cry. I might cry. But that's not it. I also got, now, this brand, Black Opal. I have seen them everywhere, but I've never, like, known that they had, like, skincare. I thought they were just makeup. So I got their skin brightening bar soap, because though I am not a melanin queen, I do have melanin, and I have a lot of dark spots that I have never been able to find something on the market that works for me. But everyone was saying they swear by this. So I had to pick it up. And honestly, I was going to buy like 3 or 4, but I'm like, you know what? Let me try it first, and then we'll see. So I picked up the brightening one. I know they have like an acne one that also brightens. And I was like, oh my god. Oh my god. Now it is just basically, like, I'm pretty sure it's a turmeric soap with other stuff in it. My culture, we use a lot of turmeric soap as it is. I even make a turmeric soap in my Etsy shop. But even then, I just can't get off like the years of hyperpigmentation. This, I'm praying for. And finally, the 2 are actually makeup products. Juvia's Place recently came out with their Natural Radiance Foundation. I love their I Am Magic foundation, but the one thing I've always had an issue with is that it's too dry for me. It has always been too dry for me. But this, I have been told, I have heard the reviews, that it is going to be a lot more hydrating, and it doesn't like dry out your skin. Not that I hated the coverage. I absolutely loved the coverage, right? It was a full coverage foundation. It was the only one I had. But I couldn't do it. My skin absolutely hated it. And this, honestly, oh my god, that's actually a really good match. I was so scared about buying it online, but because it was Juvia's Place, they knew my shade, and I could just give me a sec. Guys, that took so long. I can't even. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Anyway, I just wanna... Oh my god, it might be too late. Oh, never mind. Huh. Don't take this as a review. I literally just wanted to see if it was the right shade. I'm kind of happy about it though. Anyway, that's not the only thing I got from Juvia's Place. I have been a long supporter of them. I love their palettes. I normally give them as gifts because I personally don't use really bright colors. But I also got the Royalty 2 loose highlighter because I've been wanting a highlighter for a while from them, and I had an excuse. Yay. Look at it. Stopped on the package. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. There's tape, and I have nails. Oh my god, guys. Anyway, that's what I got. I'm not even gonna open it right now because I will deal with this later. And let us finally get to the gifts. Now I'm going to go with the smaller one first, which was the one if you got $65 worth of stuff. You couldn't choose this one. This one was like one option, one and done, which I completely understand. You know, if it was their cheaper price point, why not? And I think between my gifts, I actually got some doubles, but I could not figure out a way to not get doubles, so it's whatever. Like I said, I give a lot of gifts. A lot of these away as gifts and in like gift baskets, so it's whatever. Because it was National Lash Day, these are all gonna be like lash related. So I'm gonna have a lot of mascaras. But to start off, we have the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and of course these are all small sizes. We have the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, and I think this is one of the ones that's a double. We have the e.l.f. Big Mood, and I really just think, you can barely see, but it says Big Mood on it. I just think that's cute. We have the Grande Cosmetics. It's a lash enhancing serum. Now, I have fairly long lashes. I don't know if I do this, but I mean, it's cute. And then a Lash Purify. It's just like a little tester sample. And this is a eye makeup remover by Kiss. Oh, and there's one more thing. It's a pair of tweezers. Oh, it's supposed to help you put your lashes on. Like, you just like I think if you put this under your lashes and then you brush it. Actually, I have no clue. If anyone knows what this is, please tell me. Now for the second one. Starting at the top, we have a mini of the Tarte Maneater. We have a full-size ColourPop Level Up Lengthening Mascara. Whoa, okay. Eyelure London. Whoa, I don't even think I would... Honestly, I don't wear lashes these big, but these are really pretty. I might have to start wearing big lashes. Lancome Super Enhancing Mascara Base. I think it's a primer. I don't know why it's in an excessive bag, but it is. We have another pair of lashes, and this one's by Juvia's Place. I actually knew this was in here, but I really wanted to try this because, as you can see, I'm a fan. There is a Milani Anti-Gravity Mascara. Oh, a full size of the Pacifica Activist First Volume. It's kind of open at the bottom, but it's whatever. Again, a Bad Gal Bang. Small of the Maybelline Lash Sensational. A mini of Lash Food Eye Enhancer by Phytomedic Complex. No clue what that is. Gonna have to research it. And then a mini of the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Now, like I said, I spent $85, got my products that I wanted, 10 times the points, basically 20 bucks back, and I got everything. So, honestly, amazing. And like I did in my first order, I did use my Capital One card, order it online. This specific one I had to get shipped to my house just because they didn't have everything that I wanted. I wanted to get my gifts, but I got everything and I'm really happy. I know I'm lucky, but you can be lucky too. You just gotta look around. Now I am going to be posting these deals on my shorts or my community pages whenever I find them, because yeah, for this entire table of stuff, I spent $120, but if I was to buy this, easily $400 or $500 worth of stuff, because it's not cheap. And though, yes, and I have like 40 mascaras, it's not cheap. And when you do the math, $300 worth of stuff, I spent $120. Out of that $120, I got at least $30 worth of points back. $90 for $300 worth of stuff. A lot of which that I actually wanted. Honestly, I'm not angry. And I'm sure you wouldn't be either. Like I said, I'm going to keep posting these deals. I'm going to keep bringing them back to you. I'm going to keep doing these hauls. So stick around if you guys want to. If you like this video, like this video. If you have an update on the coupon policy, or you did some other deal, or you just have a comment that you want to tell me, talk to me in the comments. I'm always here. And of course, remember, I am not a professional. I'm just the middle child. But I love you. Bye!